12:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Winona to Delphi, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Logansport, Peru, Wabash, Rochester, North Manchester, Monticello, Grissom Air Force Base, Akron, Walton, Bunker Hill, Royal Center, Mexico, Lincoln, Wells, Galveston, Miami, Converse, Kewanee, Erie, and Denver. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Cass,